Hello everyone! Welcome to this new lesson in the CSS Animations course. In this lesson, we're going to create this preloader text animation effect. So you can see we have an H1 here, and it's kind of covered up by this yellow text on top of it. So let's see how we can do that. I will start here in my HTML by adding an H1, and I will just say loading. Then I will go to my CSS, target this H1, and I will add font size, 40 pixels, margin, 0, padding, 0, text transform, uppercase, letter spacing, 10 pixels, color, white, and finally, position, relative. So now you can see we have our white H1, and it looks pretty good. Now, let's work on the yellow text that covers it up. We will use the before pseudo element to create that yellow text. So I will go right here and say H1, before. And inside that, I will add content, loading, because we want the same word, of course. Then position, absolute, top, 0, left, 0 as well, width, 100%, and color, this nice yellow color. So now you can see the H1 is now yellow. And this is because it's now covered by the yellow text, which is the before pseudo element. All right, let's continue working. I will go right here inside the before pseudo element and add overflow, hidden. Then border right, 4 pixels, solid, and our yellow color. Cool! So now you can see the text has a right border that will move along with it and fill the white text with the yellow one. Now we just need to work on animating this yellow text. I will go to my CSS again and create a new animation. And I will name it Animate. Then inside it, at 0% of the animation duration, I will add width, 0, then at 50%, I will make the width 100%. And finally, at 100%, I will set the width back to 0 again. So what this animation will do is it will make the yellow text start at a width of 0. Then its width will increase until it becomes 100% of the white text, which will make it cover it up. Then its width will be 0 again, and it will shrink by the end of the animation. And this will continue happening infinitely, because of course we will set the animation iteration count to infinite. So let's add this animation to the yellow background. I will go up here and add animation, animate, 5 seconds, linear, and infinite. So now you can see the yellow text is getting bigger and covering up the white text, then it shrinks again, and it keeps doing that infinitely, giving us this nice preloader.